Okay, this is for our Gonda Ukulele Strummers. We are learning Chuck Berry's Memphis, Tennessee. We're in the key of F. Our tempo is 150 beats per minute, so rockabilly beat. Our starting note is C. Long distance. And I'm going to throw my fancy stuff in, so that'll give you ideas of things to work towards. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Long distance information to give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party trying to get in touch with me. She could not leave her number, but I know who placed the call, 'cause my uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who'd phone me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on a ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. Stanza 3. Help me information, more than that I cannot add. Only that I miss her and all the fun we had. But we were pulled apart because her mom did not agree, and tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Last night I saw Marie, she was waving me goodbye, with hurry home drops on her cheek that trickled from her eye. Marie is only 6 years old, information please. Try to put me through to her in Memphis, Tennessee.